Mastering first names and nicknames in English greetings. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting session on mastering English greetings. Today, we're going to focus on using first names and nicknames when transitioning from formal to informal conversations. It's a significant aspect of becoming fluent and comfortable in English, so let's dive in. In English-speaking cultures, using first names or nicknames can be a sign of comfort, friendship, and informality. Typically, you start a conversation formally, especially with people you're meeting for the first time. As you get more familiar with them, you might transition to using their first name or even a nickname. Understanding when and how to use these can greatly improve your communication skills. Once you have established a relationship with someone, you may find that they invite you to call them by their first name. They might say something like, "Please, call me first name." This is your cue that it's okay to transition to a less formal type of greeting. For instance, if you're speaking with someone named Robert Smith, you might start by calling him Mr. Smith. If he says, "Please, call me Robert," you can start using his first name in future conversations. A nickname is a short, informal name for someone, often based on their first name or some aspect of their personality or appearance. In English, we have common nicknames for certain names, for example, Bob for Robert, or Mike for Michael. Using a person's nickname is typically even more informal and friendly than using their first name. It is also more personal. If someone introduces themselves with a nickname or asks you to call them by a nickname, it's a sign that they consider your relationship to be quite friendly and casual. Even as you become more comfortable with someone, it's still important to respect boundaries. If you're not sure whether to use a first name or nickname, it's okay to ask. People will appreciate that you care about addressing them in a way they're comfortable with. Remember, transitioning from formal to informal greetings is not just about the words you use. It's also about the relationship you have with the other person. As that relationship evolves, the way you address each other may naturally become less formal. And there you have it. Mastering the use of first names and nicknames can make your English conversations sound more natural and friendly. Remember, it's all about comfort, relationship, and respect. Practice these tips, and you'll become a pro at English greetings in no time. Thanks for tuning in, keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next session. Happy learning!